Hello, this is Leb from TrialLine, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use tags and the tag filter. TrialLine users can add tags to the events on their case timelines and then use those tags to selectively display specific events using the tag filter. This is very similar to how the category filter works, but with one important difference. TrialLine events can only be assigned to a single category, but multiple tags can be added to each event. Just like categories, tags are completely customizable, so you can name them anything you need to as is appropriate for your case. You should definitely put careful thought into how you tag your events, because if you use the right strategy, you'll find that you're able to get extremely granular with the data on your trial line. That can help you better understand your case, and can also reveal relationships and connections between events that you might not have noticed otherwise. Adding tags is easy. Open the Edit window by clicking the Edit button for an existing event, or by clicking the New Event button. There you'll see a Tag tab right underneath the Add Media tab. Open that, and you'll see that you can start to add tags by typing a tag name and clicking the Add Tag button. You can add as many tags as you want, but be sure to hit the Add Tag button after entering each tag name. Click the Save Changes button at the bottom, and those tags will now be attached to that event. Events that have tags attached to them are designated by this tag icon, along with a number letting you know how many tags are attached to that event. If you click the More button and navigate to the Tag tab, you'll be able to see all tags attached to this event. Just like with categories, you can edit tags should you need to, and you can do it at the tag level so that any changes made will apply across all of the events that have that tag attached to them. Click the Case Settings and Files option in the menu, and on the next page, open the Tags tab. There you'll see you can edit tag names and delete tags as needed. TrialLine users can filter by tags just like they can by category. Click the Filters menu option and select Tag, and you'll see all of the tags that are being used in this trial line in the menu on the right. And from there, you can select which events will be displayed by checking or unchecking the boxes. It's important to note that category filters can override tag filters, so some tagged events may not display if they're being filtered out by a category filter. If that's the case, you'll see a message in the tag menu that says, "Some tags are hidden by categories filter." Just click the Show All Hidden Tags checkbox to display any tags that are currently being filtered out. And that is how you use tags in TrialLine. With careful planning and a smart tagging strategy, you'll find that you can interact with the information and facts in a case in ways that can help you better understand your case, that can highlight important connections, and also help you better communicate the important details of your case to others. Go to TrialLine.net to start a free 2-week trial today.